The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is the Italian automaker's first ever SUV, and it's a game changer. From the moment you lay eyes on it, it's clear this is not just another SUV, it's a Ferrari through and through. The exterior design screams luxury and performance, blending Ferrari's signature style with the boldness of an SUV. The aggressive lines and muscular proportions give it a powerful stance, with a sleek front end featuring sharp headlights and a sculpted hood. The side profile shows off its dynamic curves, while the rear is equally striking, with quad exhausts and a well-integrated diffuser that emphasizes its performance credentials. This car looks as fast as it is. Inside, Ferrari has crafted a cabin that's as luxurious as it is functional. The attention to detail is remarkable, with premium materials like leather, suede, and real wood. The seats are plush and supportive, offering both comfort and a firm grip for spirited driving. Ferrari hasn't skimped on tech either, equipping the Purosangue with an advanced digital cockpit that includes a large touchscreen interface, a fully customizable instrument cluster, and a state-of-the-art sound system. There's also a sense of openness in the cabin, with excellent visibility thanks to the large windows, and even though it's an SUV, it doesn't feel bulky or cumbersome. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the market. With a 0-to-60 time of just 3.3 seconds, this SUV defies expectations, offering blistering performance that's more akin to a sports car than anything else in its class. The all-wheel drive system, paired with a sophisticated suspension setup, ensures exceptional handling, even when tackling sharp corners or off-road trails. And despite its size, the Purosangue feels agile, with the kind of precision and responsiveness you'd expect from a Ferrari. As for the price, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue comes with a hefty price tag starting around $400,000, but for that, you're getting a true Ferrari experience in an SUV package. It's expensive, but considering the performance, luxury, and exclusivity that come with the Ferrari badge, it's clear that the Purosangue is something special. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines the practicality of an SUV with the thrill of a supercar, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is in a league of its own.